Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make steak with mashed potatoes. Pat the steak dry, season generously, and preheat a heavy skillet until smoking hot before searing. Boil potatoes until fork tender, drain, then mash with butter and warm milk until silky. Rest the steak briefly before slicing against the grain and serve over a scoop of mashed potatoes with pan juices spooned on top. Season the steak simply with salt and pepper, then sear it in a hot skillet with a splash of oil until a deep brown crust forms. Flip once and finish to your desired internal temperature using a thermometer for accuracy. Add butter and aromatics near the end for flavor, then remove and tent with foil to rest so juices redistribute before slicing and plating with mashed potatoes. Quick recommendation: if you meal prep leftover steak and mashed potatoes, grab those leak-proof containers to keep flavors locked in and prevent spills during transport. They are perfect for portioning meals and reheating without mess, and they stack neatly in the fridge. If you like this tip, please subscribe and hit like so you don't miss more kitchen hacks. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by peeling and cutting potatoes into even chunks, then simmer until tender. Drain well, then mash with warm butter and warmed milk or cream for a silky texture. Season with salt and white pepper, and fold in a splash of olive oil or sour cream if you like extra richness. Keep the mash slightly underwhipped to avoid gluey results and adjust seasoning before serving beside the steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.